Hey, my favorite people! Welcome back to Soul Sync by Dovey. You're wondering why you're so obsessed with this girl? We're breaking down exactly what she's doing that's driving you absolutely insane. These 6 things have you feeling butterflies and thinking about your future with her. If you're experiencing this, hit that subscribe button because we drop relationship content like this every single week. Stick around for number 4. That one explains a feeling you can't even put into words. Let's go. Point 1. She touches your shoulder when she laughs. When she laughs at something you say, she leans in and touches your shoulder. She grabs your arm playfully, and you feel it every single time. That small touch is her lowering her guard around you. She's comfortable being close to you. This touch tells your brain, she likes being close to me. She trusts me. It's intimate without being aggressive. It's flirty without being obvious. You probably replay that moment in your head for the rest of the day. That small gesture is your brain going, she likes me, and you know it. You can feel it. That's the butterflies feeling right there. Point 2. She yaps about her day and calls you. She calls you just to talk. She texts you constantly about random things. She tells you about her friend's drama, her coworker drama, everything. She's not keeping secrets. She's sharing her life with you. She's making you her person to tell things to. When she yaps at you, she's showing you that you're important enough to hear everything about her day. She's letting you into her world. What makes this attractive is that she's showing vulnerability. She's not filtering herself. She's being authentically her. Every time she calls you with some random story, you're falling deeper. That's love energy, and you feel it. Point 3. She orders your favorite food without you asking. She remembers that you like your coffee a specific way and brings it to you. She knows what you order at your favorite restaurant and surprises you by ordering it. This shows that she pays attention to your preferences. She cares about your comfort. She's not waiting for you to ask. She's anticipating your needs. This caretaking energy absolutely kills you. It shows you that you're constantly on her mind. She's thinking what would make him happy, and then she's doing it. That's her saying, I think about you. Every time she shows up with your favorite drink, you're realizing you matter to her. That's butterflies multiplied. Point 4. She makes something for you. She makes you a bracelet. She draws you something. She writes you a note. She bakes you your favorite dessert. She makes something with her own hands and gives it to you. This is everything. Handmade gifts require time and effort from her. She spent her time and energy on you. That's not casual, that's I was thinking about you while I made this energy. You're going to keep that bracelet. You're going to remember the exact moment she gave it to you. When a girl makes something for you, you feel loved, you feel special, and that's literally the most attractive thing ever. She mimics you. She starts using your words. She copies your laugh. She mirrors your energy. When you do something, she finds herself doing the same thing. She's subconsciously syncing with you. This is science. When people like each other, they naturally mimic each other. You notice. You notice that she laughs like you now. You notice that she uses your slang. You notice that she's becoming more like you. And to you, that means one thing. She's merging her life with yours. She's not just dating you, she's becoming like you. That's intimacy at the deepest level. That's proof that what you have is real. Point 6. She takes care of herself. She has a routine. She works out regularly. She eats healthy. She takes care of her skin. She's not doing this for you, she's doing it for herself. But you notice. You notice that she's disciplined. You notice that she respects herself enough to invest in her health. This is attractive. When a girl takes care of herself, it tells you that she knows her worth. She's not desperate. She's living her life and showing up as the best version of herself. That's confidence. That's independence. When you get to be part of that life, you feel lucky. You feel chosen. Because she could be doing anything with her time, but she's choosing to spend it with you. That's the butterflies feeling right there. That's why you're so obsessed with her. She's doing these 6 things and you're feeling it. Comment below which one she's doing to you right now. And girls, if you're watching, comment because your man needs to know you know what you're doing. Please like and subscribe to Soul Sync by Dovey because next week we're dropping how to know if you're also catching feelings and it's going to hit different. See you next time.